Hello, dear Pisces. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is a general love reading from 1st of May till 10th of May. And so, this is a general love reading. So, it might or might not resonate with you. Take it as it resonates and leave the other part. Okay. So, I'll tap into your partner's current energy, your energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and the expected outcome from their side till 10th of May. And one card from the Love Oracle deck as an advice for you guys. Okay, Pisces. So let's start. One more shuffle, please. So your partner's current energy, Pisces. Three of Cups, reconciliation, or they might be celebrating something, or they are having some kind of fun gathering or something happening in their life right now. So basically I feel like this person wants to reconciliate with you if you guys are not together, and if you guys were separated by some kind of event, or might be you guys were not were at a distance from each other, and you guys are now reconciliating and you guys are now celebrating. So basically I feel like this person reconciliating with you and celebrating with you. So let's clarify the Three of Cups. Why the Three of Cups is here in their energy. Clarification gives you lots of clarification. Okay. So I want to say, if you clarify the cards, you get the real answers. One card, I don't trust only one card reading because they don't give the clarity of answers, right? So let's clarify the Three of Cups here. The Hanged Man, Seven of Wands, and the Four of Wands. Okay, so I feel like this person was holding back a lot from you. Might be this person was not opening up to you, and they were kind of hiding something from you, hiding their emotions, trying to control their emotions. Okay, and they were not. What should I say? I'm so sorry. So I'm a native Hindi speaker, so Hindi comes out naturally from my mouth. So it is like they were holding back a lot, they were standing their own ground, they were being adamant and they were being stuck, and they were trying to control everything. But now I feel like this person is releasing the control. After releasing all this control, after holding back a lot, now they are coming back towards you. Now they are feeling that they should come back to you and have a reconciliation with you and to celebrate life with you. Okay, this is their current energy. So let's see what your current energy is right now, Pisces. Your current energy, Pisces, is Pisces. Seven of Cups. Very confused. I feel like, Pisces, you have lots of options in your life, or you are dealing with lots of things in your life at one time. So might be you are dealing with your business or job, and then you are dealing with your spiritual life, and then you are dealing with your health, and then you are dealing with your emotional health. So it is like lots of things happening together at the same time, and you are not able to manage all of these shit happening at the same time. So that is why you are very confused. Or it could also be possible that you have lots of options in your life, or you have more than one option in your life, uh, uh, as a boyfriend or girlfriend, or as a potential boyfriend or girlfriend. So that is why you are a little confused right now. Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Cups, Six of Wands, Five of Wands, and the Hierophant. Okay, so I feel like you could be dealing with the Taurus because the Hierophant is here. So I feel like you were working on something very hard, very hard. Okay, and you guys had a conflict, and you wanted a commitment from them. Might be you wanted a commitment or long term uh, commitment from them or something like that. So I feel like right now you are in this confusing state because I feel like somebody else is also here, and somebody who is like ready to give you some kind of commitment or ready to give you some kind of long term thing, and now you're confused because you are feeling in a conflict. Okay, there is somebody in your life, there is somebody in your circle who you feel like this is kind of a mini celebrity, and this person is very positive, very beautiful. This person is coming towards you, giving you some kind of offer, but you are going through lots of confusion and inner conflict because this person is giving you some kind of offer. This is kind of confusing energy. You are very confused, Pisces. all I can say about you is you are very very confused about between, might be two option in your life, might be two three option in your life, and this is making you the more you are thinking about this thing, the more you are getting into this conflict stage. Okay, conflicting stage of life. So the more you are thinking, the more you are getting a hell lot of confused. This is what is happening. So I feel like there's somebody coming to your life who is very attractive, who is very beautiful, who is very physically fit. Okay, then there is somebody else who is giving you some kind of commitment offer, or with whom you feel safe and secure, you feel like this is my comfort zone. And now you are in conflict between these two people, between these two choices. You are feeling like which one to choose, which one to choose. This is what is happening, Pisces. Now I'm getting the story. So what this particular person on your mind is feeling about you, the feelings for you. Judgment. I feel like you guys had a past connection, or you guys had a history together. Now you guys are forgiving each other and starting all over again. So or basically this person feels the need to forgive you or get forgiven by you. Okay, so basically all they want from this particular connection is to start all over again. Okay, just to forgive them and start all over again, to transform into a very very beautiful relationship or connection. I feel like there were hell lot of conflicts and hell lot of disputes and quarrels in this relationship, in this connection, and all they want now is to start all over again. They are feeling that this connection should have another chance. It feels like this person wants to have another chance from you, or you or they want to give you another chance. This is the scenario, so take it how it resonates. Either they want to give you another chance, or they want another chance from you. This is what is happening. Okay, let's clarify the judgment. Who is at fault here? Basically the judgment card is card of forgiving and just opening up and just starting all over again, and healing as well. So the temperance, the ten of pentacles, and the world. Yes, I feel like this particular person wants to, okay, be patient with things. This person wants to be really very very patient and balance their emotions. Okay, because they want a stable and committed offer for committed relationship with you. And that is why the world, that is why they are trying to complete the old cycle, to finish the old cycle with you and start all over again. This is the judgment. Okay, so I feel like this person is trying to balance their emotions in their life, to keep everything in balance. And then they want to start all over again, to have a happy and stable and beautiful connection with you, because they want an ending to the, give me a second, I'm fumbling, an ending to the past cycle. So there was something in the past that was not working out for you guys. Now this person wants to start all over again, leaving the past behind and forgiving each other and just start all over again. So this is what their feelings for you are: forgive and to be forgiven and to start all over again. Yes, reconciliation. There are energies of reconciliation, I told you. Okay, so what they want from you, what they want from you, let's see what they want from you. Five of Swords. To end this conflict, to end this fight. So Pisces, I feel like you guys had a very very huge fight, to be very honest. And all they want from you is to open up and end this fight, because this is lots of ego battles going on. Maybe you are acting egoistic, maybe they are acting egoistic, maybe it is kind of ego battle going on. Some kind of ego battle was going on. You guys were not opening up. You were feeling like I am the best. What I did was best, and what I did was not wrong at all. They are also feeling the same. So this is the ego battle is going on, and they want to end this ego battle, and they want to end this painful situation, painful, conflicting situation. Pisces. Let's clarify the Five of Swords as what they want from you. So let's clarify the Five of Swords. The Page of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Five of Cups. Yes. They want to end this battle because they are spying on you, because they have realized something, and I feel like they have walked away from you, Pisces, in the past, and they are missing you a lot. Because they feel like after this dispute, after this battle, they walked away from you, or they walked away from this relationship in particular, and now they are missing you. Now they are feeling like I am missing this person a lot. I don't know what kind of conflict you guys are going through, but now you guys are mirroring each other. Now you guys are feeling the urge to start all over again. Okay, now you want to end this conflict and this ego battle and this stupid things that were going on between you guys and start all over again. This is what your person wants. Sorry, now they want to start all over again. Now they want to have a end to this ego battle, and to this walking away thing, and to this missing thing. And because this person is missing you very very much, they walked away from you. Now they are missing you like hell, Pisces. This is what is happening. So let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of May. What to expect from this person till 10th of May. What to expect from this person till 10th of May. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, they're coming towards you, Pisces, with a solid and stable commitment offer, with a solid offer of let's start all over again, and I'm committing to you that I will be with you. We will start a family. We will have a beautiful family. And the bottom of the deck is the Nine of Cups, a wish fulfillment coming towards you, Pisces. Okay. I feel like you were wishing and hoping for this person to come back and talk to you. Now they are coming towards you. Okay. This is your wish fulfillment. So let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles as the potential outcome. The Seven of Swords, the Ten of Cups again, and the King of Cups. Yes, this person was hiding. This person was running from themselves only, running from their feelings only. Okay, that is why they were running from their own feelings. Now they have realized that they want a happy family with you. They want a beautiful relationship with you. Now they are having lots of beautiful emotions for you, lots of love for you, Pisces. And now they are coming back with a solid commitment offer. Okay, this is the Ten of Pentacles. So I feel like this person was running a lot, running from their own emotions, running from you, running, trying to run away from you, trying to, walk away from you. But now they are missing you like hell, and now they are, trying to, read their own emotions, read their own feelings. Now they are feeling like yes, you are their happy family, you are their wish fulfillment, and now they are ready to give you some commitment offer, some beautiful offer. And the bottom of the deck is also Ace of Cups. Beautiful brand new beginning in love is coming towards you, Pisces. Now this person sees your worth. Now this person feels like you are their wish fulfillment, you are their happiness. They love you a lot. No matter how stupid the fight was, how intense the fight was in the past, they are ready to heal this situation, and they are ready to give you this commitment offer, to this happily ever after offer to you. Okay, let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck, Pisces. What's your advice from the Love Oracle deck? Okay, abundance. Wow. Keep a positive mindset, manifest exactly what you want, gratitude and bliss. Abundance is coming towards you. I told you, this person is coming towards you. Lots of love and happiness coming towards you. God bless you, Pisces. God bless you. So thank you so much for tuning in, and to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if this story resonates with you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is Anjali Tarot. Namaste.